5 things to know before building your website. A website has become a necessity for businesses wanting to stay relevant in these connected times. Creating a website is a straightforward process, and it is now much easier with advanced tools. But here are 5 things you should know before building your website. Have clear expectations. A website serves multiple purposes, and it is important to determine what you expect from it. If you know what you want, you can have your website purpose built as per your expectations. Start small. With the exception of certain high-traffic sites, shared hosting is good enough for most websites. Start your hosting journey with shared hosting and let your website grow at its own pace. Set a budget. A website's design and development will be a huge chunk of your total site-related expenses. Set a budget and try to stick to it, else you will end up spending more than you intended. Get responsive website design. Now with a smartphone in every pocket, sites are viewed more on mobile screens than monitors. Make sure that your website features a responsive design for a seamless mobile experience. Marketing is essential. A website's main purpose is to ensure more visibility for your brand or services. Have a marketing plan in place to make sure that your site gets proper exposure when it is ready. HostGator's shared hosting runs on state-of-the-art infrastructure with an easy-to-use cPanel. Give your website a stable hosting platform that supports advanced programming with one-click app installations.